When advanced electrical faults show up, a structured divide-and-conquer approach separates guesswork from real proof. Let's see how experts solve them step by step. Imagine a vehicle where a sensor code appears and multiple symptoms overlap. Before the fault, the system's power, ground, and signal all performed as designed. But now, erratic readings and codes point to multiple failure possibilities. Complex faults rarely point straight to just one bad wire or part. The ECU can't see wires directly. It only processes voltages, currents, signals, and logical relationships. A divide-and-conquer approach means understanding what the ECU can and can't know, especially when multiple system branches share power or ground paths. Faults in one branch can mislead the module into reporting several possible causes. Experts don't just check if voltage is present. They compare exactly what should be there, under the right load and operating condition, against what is measured. This is crucial for pinpointing where in the circuit a drop or offset occurs, especially when multiple wires or sensors are involved. Scan data reports the ECU's interpretation of the circuit. A voltage drop at the sensor ground, for example, can cause all related sensor PIDs to shift together, even if the problem isn't at the sensor. Compare scan data, direct meter readings, and related PIDs to reveal the real source. If scan and meter don't match, trust the meter, but only if your reference point is correct. Divide and conquer means isolating the power feed, the ground path, and the signal, then testing each segment so you can rule out whole branches of the system quickly. By separating the circuit at strategic points, you can prove if the issue is up to, at, or past each division, saving hours of guessing and re-replacing good parts. Blindly replacing parts based on a single code or a hunch wastes time and money. Divide and conquer roots out the actual circuit cause so you don't chase symptoms. Always confirm with real measurements and parallel data, not just codes or default logic. Start at the system overview. Prove power, ground, and signal up to a division point. If a measurement fails, move to the midpoint or branch off. If it passes, skip whole sections. Repeat this logic, comparing meter, scan, and expected values, until you find where the expected breaks down. That's your root cause. When electrical problems get complicated, the best techs break the system into parts they can prove right or wrong, dividing and conquering with targeted tests, and always comparing results to expected values, turns even advanced faults into solvable puzzles. You now have the essential divide and conquer strategy to tackle advanced electrical problems the way expert diagnosticians do, using logic, data, and measurement instead of guesswork.